Welcome to Calculus. Today we are going to learn how to read and understand limit notation. You have probably seen this symbol before, lim, with a little x arrow underneath it. It looks complicated, but it is actually a very simple way to describe motion and approaching a value. Before we get into the math symbols, let's understand the concept. A limit is all about the journey, not the destination. It describes how a function behaves as it gets closer and closer to a specific point. Imagine driving down a road towards a destination sign. The limit describes where your car is heading, even if you never actually park the car. Let's break down the notation into 4 parts. First, we have the operator lim, which tells us we are taking a limit. Second, we have x arrow which tells us what the input is doing. Third, we have f of x, which is the function we are looking at. And finally, equals L, which is the result. Let's look at the x arrow part. This means as x approaches. On the x-axis, imagine we are picking numbers that get closer and closer to our target number, from both the left and right sides. We don't care what happens exactly at only what happens when we are super close to it. Next is f of x. This represents our graph or curve. As our x value moves along the axis, the corresponding point on the graph moves along the curve. We are watching the height of this curve change as we move. Finally, we have L. This is the result. L is the specific height or y value that our function is getting closer to. Even if the function never quite hits that exact height, L is the value it is trying to reach. So how do you say this out loud in class? You say, the limit of f of x as x approaches is L. Practice saying that a few times so it feels natural. You might wonder, why don't we just plug the number in? Well, sometimes we can't. Sometimes there is a hole in the graph, like when we try to divide by 0. The function is undefined there. But with limits, we can still talk about what the value should be based on the path leading up to it. Here is a simple example. We have the function f of x equals x plus 1. We want to find the limit as x approaches 2. As x gets closer and closer to 2, the value x plus 1 gets closer and closer to 3. So, the limit is 3. To recap, limits are about the approach, not the destination. X arrow means x is getting closer to a. L is the height the function approaches. And this tool allows us to handle undefined points and holes in mathematics.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.